Jane's Air, Stockyard Hen, Weave toward the inside. They all have some early speed here. Weave moves up against the rail, has the early advantage by 3 parts of a length. Stockyard Hen travels alongside in second. Here's Extravagance moving forward in third. And then Sky Bird on the far outside is fourth. Jane's Air settles back fifth against the rail, just over 3 lengths off the early lead. Song of Ice and Fire, sixth between horses. Maru goes in the 7th position. And then Small World in 8th. Kitten's Approach is next to last around the far turn for the first time. And Princess Mariah content to trail here early, 24 and 2/5 seconds the time for that opening quarter. Weave stays a lane off the rail, leads them through the stretch for the first time by a length and a half. Stockyard Hen goes second. Jane's Air moves up third toward the inside. Skybird in the clear fourth up on the outside. Extravagance fifth in behind horses, and is followed by Song of Ice and Fire, sixth against the rail with a lap to go. And then Maru back toward the outside, gap of 2 more lengths to Small World. Kitten's Approach next to last. Princess Mariah is the trailer, stays toward the inside, 8 lengths off the lead. First half mile went in 50 seconds. Weave is the leader, moving to the second of 3 turns. Stockyard Hen just off the leader's flank in the second position. Jane's Air tucked away third toward the inside. Skybird stays toward the far outside in fourth, 3 wide around the turn onto the back stretch. Then Extravagance in fifth. Song of Ice and Fire is sixth against the rail, 5 lengths off the lead. Maru is next on the outside. Then Small World, Princess Mariah, and Kitten's Approach is the trailer. 6 furlongs in 1 minute, 17 seconds. Back up front, Weave and Stockyard Hen, 1-2. They've been that way since the start. Jane's Air tracks along the rail in third. Extravagance fourth between horses, a half length. Skybird stays toward the outside still in fifth, 3.5 lengths off the lead. Song of Ice and Fire back toward the inside in the 6th position, 4 lengths from the front. Starts looking for some more running room as they enter the far turn. Maru, Princess Mariah, Small World, Kitten's Approach starts to move up from last between horses as they move midway on the final turn with Weave and Stockyard Hen, 1-2. And now Jane's Air finds room against the rail to move up and challenge for the top spot. Song of Ice and Fire going to try to follow that same path from fourth. Still 2 lengths off the lead. Now has to change lanes, though, and swing toward the outside. Weave, Jane's Air, Stockyard Hen, Song of Ice and Fire has clear running to the outside now from the 4th position. Kitten's Approach is still very wide with a lot of ground to make up. Song of Ice and Fire and Princess Mariah moving behind her. Song of Ice and Fire by 2 lengths. Princess Mariah second. Stockyard Hen is third. Kitten's Approach still far back. No catching Song of Ice and Fire, who wins it for Sean Bridgmohan. Princess Mariah came from last to grab second, and then it was Kitten's Approach getting third on the line from Stockyard Hen fourth.